In this video, I am going to show you how to fix CapCut file not supported. This should be a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is click on Import, then choose your file. For example, if it is a supported format, CapCut will automatically accept it. But if it is an unsupported format like EMPG, it will not work. To fix that, go to File Explorer, then change the format by renaming it. Click Rename, then type .png or any other format that CapCut supports. After you upload it, just drag it to the timeline, and there you have it. This is how to fix file not supported on CapCut. As always, thank you for watching.